We'll go to the next presentation. This is from Kingfa Science and Technology India Limited on long glass fiber reinforced material and application in automobile industry. The speaker is Mr. Shanmugasundram. He is a bachelor's in chemical from Bharathidasan University. He has been working on polypropylene compounds, thermoplastic elastomers for more than 30 years now. After graduation, Mr. Shanmugasundram has joined Hydro SNS Industries Limited and worked in various processes like production, quality, development. And after Kingfa Science and Technology took over, he continued in the technical team and worked as a technical management. Then he took over as DGM technical and was instrumental in handling different developments with automobile industry. He has worked with auto OEMs like Tata, M&M, Suzuki, Hyundai, Ford and Volkswagen to get approvals on various applications. Currently, he is the business unit head West for Kingfa Group in Chak and Pune. Welcome, Shanmugasundram.
These are the topics I'm going to speak now. So the presentation is having 4 parts. One is the first material introduction, and the second one is the material solutions, innovative material solutions, and what are the applications we can targeted, and then continuous fiber reinforced plastics. These are the 4 topics. The first one is company information. Kingfa started in 1993. Which is listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange in 2004. We have around 9,700 plus employees, and we have the production capability of 2.5 million tons and with the sales revenue of 6.2 billion USD. So we have 4 business groups. One is the compounding business, which there is a 5 million tons, which includes 1.2 million tons of recycled materials. Then we are in the petrochemical businesses with the polymerization of 1.2 million tons, along with ABS polymerization of 1.1 million tons, which is in operational now. And apart from that, we are in the new materials, that is a bio-based PLA, PBAT, and we have the 4 lakh ton capacity. And we are doing that special engineering plastics like PA60 and PA10T and carbon fiber reinforced thermoplastics. Apart from that, during the COVID, we started the PPE business like mask, gloves and PPE kits. That is the 4th division which we are working. So this is the Kingfa India outline. This is the first, India is, it is 1987, it was started in the name of Hydro SNS. Kingfa has taken over in 2013, and we have 3 plants. One is in Pondicherry, second one is in Pune, which is a greenfield project, which having the capacity of 3 lakh ton, and we have completed the phase 1 out of it. And we have another plant in Manesar to serve various OEMs in the different regions. Our sales volumes last year we achieved 89,000 tons with 1,437 crore. So the LFT material, in the sense we have to any glass fiber, any material is having the more than 2 mm glass fiber, which is called LFT. So normally short fibers are having the 0.3 to 0.5 mm glass fibers. The length of the glass fiber is 0.3 to 0.5. But for the long glass fiber, which is it is minimum 2 mm, more than 2 mm it will be there. So which is having the very good mechanical properties, and we can be able to reduce the part weight and durabilities, especially the weathering requirements. So this is the comparison between the LFT and the continuous fiber, glass fiber reinforced, continuous carbon fiber reinforced and the steel. If you see this, LFT is a little lower than the steel, but continuous glass fiber is equal to steel. The properties are equal to steel. And the carbon fiber is much higher than the steel. So based on this, we can able to have the multiple design factors. So we can able to choose according to the design and the requirements. We can choose the right material. So this we can able to reduce the part weight also. So there are two production methodology. For the LFT, it is an impregnated dye was used. Multiple filaments will come along with the PP resin or nylon or ABS, such kind of resins. It is getting impregnated and it will go through the pelletizing, water bath and pelletizing, and we can able to get 10 to 12 mm length. So this will give 1 to 3 mm in the final product. The glass fiber length is 1 to 3 mm. If it in the case of online molding technology, that length will be centimeter level. But in the case of continuous fiber, glass fiber reinforced, that glass fiber is coming into that various spool, and then it will get expanded, and then resin will go into that. Then we will make it as a organo sheets. That sheets is 0.15 mm to 0.3 mm thickness. This LFT material will bear the more load. Impact energy will get more because the glass fiber length is bigger, so it can withstand more load in this. So in this LFT material, there are two production technologies are there. One is that impregnated technology, and another one is the coated LFT. The coated LFT, if you are going to use, then the bundles will create. If you are going to mold the bigger part, glass bundles can be easily visible. So that is the one of the disadvantage we can be able to see in that coated LFT. So Kingfa is using that impregnated LFTs. Also the long glass fiber will give the lower warpage. Short fiber will give here higher warpage because it's having the differential shrinkage in the flow and the cross flow directions. So normally it is a 0.6 to 0.8% difference will be there. But in the case of long glass fiber, the fiber length are more, so that is not uniformly oriented in one particular direction. So we can be able to reduce the differential shrinkage. Thereby our warpage also will be less. So if you do that sample is getting ablation, then we can able to see that glass fiber length and the distribution. Normally if it is a long glass fiber, we can able to get around 2.5 mm average of glass fiber length. In the case of short fiber, it is 0.33 mm. So this is having the long glass fiber. Long glass fiber is having the very good impact resistance compared to short fiber and other materials. So it can take more load. So that's what it is showing. Even if it compares against nylon, 630 or nylon. Okay, so compared to long glass, nylon and nylon 66, long glass fibers are giving much higher impact strength. So apart from that, currently Dr. Gururajan also pointed out during that CAE analysis while doing that new product development, because it consumes more time. So Kingfa is having that internal facility, in-house facility to generate the different multiple CAE data like data cards with different temperatures and different speeds. Also that the glass fiber is having the differential properties in the flow direction versus cross flow direction. So normally we'll do with 3 different angles, 0 and 90 and 45. Then these cards will be prepared. So if you compare the properties between the 0 and 45 and 90, there is a drastic reduction will be there. So this we are developing. Apart from that, we are working with other software, Digimat softwares and LS Dyna cards. That is also we are preparing and we are supplying to our customers to do the CAE analysis in well-in manner to reduce the development time. So this is some of the examples where we are using it. See, you can be able to see this. This is a typical grade. It's generally used L30. So this is some of the OEMs which they already achieved in door panel up to 1.4 mm thickness was normally it is used. But in one of the OEM it is a 0.6 mm also was utilized, but it is a carbon fiber reinforced material that we will check into the later. Also in the IP skeletons it is 2.2 mm, and the bottom shield for the EV it is a 2 mm. So we can able to reduce the thin wall products. So this is a comparison between the plastic to plastic replacement. This also we discussed in the beginning of this session. So this is a replacement between the nylon and long loss fiber. So nylon 6 and nylon 66 both having the ability to absorb the moisture. So if you compare the wet condition, the properties and long loss fiber, PP long loss fiber properties are almost the same. So there is no difference in the design factor. We can easily able to get that required design properties. This is another example how the properties are getting compared against LGF 30, 40 and nylon. So again the properties are comparable, or even some cases it is higher than that nylon. This is some of the applications. This is some of the applications which we are using it for shroud, for nylon to PP shrouds and gas pedals, and the front end module. This is the major applications, and the rear view mirrors and the fan. These are all the typical applications which we are using nylon or SMC, and we can able to shift it to PP, LGF. So also the sustainable solutions which we are discussing regularly. So this is one of the case we can prepare and give the solution for the long loss fiber material as well. So Kingfa is having the internal in-house facility up to 1.2 million tons we can able to generate for recycle the plastic wastages. So we are collecting the articles, that is a PCR products from the market, and we'll do the segregation, and then we do all the pre-treatments, and then we'll do the water removal for the automotive interiors. Water removal is the major part, that also we are doing it. Then we'll make into that granule. Then this granule will go into that final compound. It varies from 25% to 75% according to that requirements. So in the long loss fiber we are having two grades. It's a 25% PCR and 70% PCR. So there is another advantage is up to 45% we can able to reduce the carbon footprint. So this we can able to generate the carbon credits, and this is one of the major aspects in the current and EV vehicles. So these are some of the applications in the LFT products. Various applications are listed down here. So this is some commercial vehicles for battery frames, which is replaced with the GFPP L40, and air filter housings, deflector covers, which can be painted as well. So this long loss fiber can be easily painted, and bumper brackets and bumper energy absorbers. So this is a continuous reinforced fiber material. So here we have to prepare the organo sheets, which with the thickness of 0.15 mm to 0.5 mm, and width there is no issue. We can go up to 1470 mm, and the length is a continuous thing. So it is a 3000 meters. We have to prepare like this. Then we can cut into that required sizes. Then it will go for the further operations. So this we are preparing in two ways. One is 60% glass fiber and 70% glass. Both the options we are having that material. Once it is the sheets are ready, then we have to make those sheets in different angles, because again glass fiber is having the differential properties in different angle. So the sheets are getting multiplied with a different angle, 0, 90, 45, like that. Then it is getting, it went through the heating cycle and then cooling cycle. Then we make it as a composite, like a king ply. That is like a thickness of 0.3 to 5 mm. So this we can able to get that very good properties. There is no difference in the properties in all three angles after making the sheets. This is one of the example. This we implemented in the Ford Focus in 2018. This is the first one, which is the door panel, which is 0.7 kg is the part weight. So which is having that 40% weight reduction out of it, and the thickness is only 0.6%. So this is 5 kg per car is reduced in the metal, come in the existing models. So this is the properties which we are seeing, which I explained earlier. So you can see the 0% the tensile strength and the 90-degree tensile strength, there is no difference. Similarly, the tensile modulus as well. So we can able to get that right part and right design according to that. So this is the process. After making the sheets, it will go for the heating and insertion into the mold, and then it will make the particular shaping. Then the trimming, then the product will come out. So this is another structural part which is developed. This is developed with Bros and Angel as a Kingfa. Jointly we developed this one. Yeah, thank you.